Here's a clean, easy-to-follow script for Part 2. Creating a custom name tag that matches the style of your other sections. Part 2. Creating a custom tag. Step 1. Make sure you're at least level 1 before you can rename a name tag. You need experience levels. Check the green number at the bottom of your screen. This must be at least level 1. Step 2. Place your anvil on the ground. Open your inventory. Select the anvil and place it on the ground. When placed, you'll hear a loud clank sound. Step 3. Equip your name tag. Open your inventory and move the name tag into your hotbar. Select it so the name tag appears in your character's hand. Step 4. Select the anvil. Interact with the anvil. Right-click, tap, or press the trigger, depending on your platform. This opens the anvil interface. Step 5. Enter a name for your name tag. Click or tap the name field at the top of the anvil window and type the name you want out on console editions. Select the name field and press Xbox or X, PlayStation. Once named, take the tag from the output slot. You can now use on a mob to give it a permanent custom name that won't disappear even after restarting the game.